Hi and welcome back to a new page in my art journal. Today again I play in with my index card art journal. I was inspired by the Index Card a Day challenge from Daisy Yellow, and this ends up that I'm just creating a new mini art journal, and I will use a back-to-back binding to bind this journal in the end. I start by mixing the Colourcraft soft foam relief paste together with the Aztec lustre paints, and I'm using a stencil to apply it to the page. I let this dry overnight because it takes a little time, and now I have a really nice shimmery texture. I'm spraying both sides of my paper with water to avoid warping. The glossy texture acts like a resist against the Brushos. I wait until the blue is dry before I go in with the next color. I will list all the supplies I used in the description box. I also use a brush to spread the paint around. Before I start stamping on the background, I have added a layer of white gesso with a palette knife to the paint. I'm adding white splatters with acrylic ink. I mixed it on my own by adding white acrylic paint together with airbrush medium and water. I used the Brushos on a palette to color in my main images. I also add some blue splatters with acrylic ink. Finally, I glue all my images and sentiments down. Here are the finished pages. I hope you like them. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!